Today I am preparing Mangalorean dish tomato saar. These are the required ingredients. Heat a pan, add 2 tablespoon oil. Add mustard seeds. Let it crackle. Add curry leaves, crushed ginger and garlic, slit green chillies. Add sliced onions and fry till light brown. Add chopped tomatoes. Mix it well. Add salt as per taste and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, mash the tomatoes. Add 2 cups water and mix it well. Bring it to boil. Add turmeric powder and red chilli powder. Let it boil for 5 minutes. Add coriander leaves. Mix it. Tomato saar is ready to serve.